Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix the Snapchat waiting to send. So basically this problem occurs like when you're trying to send a message or snap to some of your friend and it says waiting to be sent. So basically what this problem means is, before I tell you what it means, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified if our new video releases as well. So be sure to do that and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem as well. So the way to fix this problem is similar for Android and iPhone, so you guys don't have to worry. So yeah, let's start the video without any further ado. So the first reason behind this could be because of your slow internet connection. So if your internet connection is slow and you're trying to send a snap or chat to your friend, then it's gonna say waiting to be sent. It's because your internet connection is slow. Snapchat thinks that you do not have an internet connection, so it's waiting for you to connect to a stable internet connection to send the message or snap. So make sure your internet connection is stable. To check that, you can go to a YouTube video, and if it takes like 1 or 2 minutes just to load a simple YouTube video, or like it takes 1 or 2 minutes to load a simple website, then you can know your internet connection is slow. So make sure internet connection is stable. Another thing is if your Snapchat is not up to date. So for that, you can go to your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is not up to date. As you guys can see, my Snapchat is up to date since there's open button. But if there's the update button instead of open, then make sure your Snapchat is up to date. So after that, the other thing could be if Snapchat server are offline. So basically what it means is Snapchat, turns off their server, to make something right, or for a maintenance break. So if it is a maintenance break or Snapchat servers are offline, then it's gonna say waiting to send. So it's basically waiting for Snapchat servers to go online again so it can send your message. So that could be your problem. To check that, you can go to Snapchat's Twitter or Snapchat subreddit and check if people are messaging about it or posting about it. If a lot of people are posting about it and messaging about it, then yeah, it could be that Snapchat servers are offline. And to fix it, you need to wait until Snapchat servers are online again. And the other way to fix it is, the last and other way is delete Snapchat and reinstall it again, because if it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then deleting Snapchat and reinstalling it again is the quickest way to fix it. So yeah, these are all the steps on how you guys can fix Snapchat waiting to send problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.